Guys, it's Denise Lamar. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a live demo using Pattern Beauty. So I'm super excited about that. Before we proceed, make sure you guys subscribe if you are new to my channel. Click the subscribe button. Also click on the notifications button so you can get notified of new videos. So this is basically what I'm starting with. They're still beach waves, but they're very, very straight, as you can see. So what I really want to do is wash my hair and revert it back to being curly and seeing how Pattern Beauty works on my hair. So the shampoo is in my hair and my hair is immediately reverting back, which is good. I don't feel any dryness because immediately if you have a shampoo that dries your hair out, like you can feel it. It feels like straw even when you're washing your hair. And I'm making sure that I'm not scrunching my hair up too much because I want to make sure that it doesn't tangle up while I'm washing it. I'd be scared about shampoos, child. Oof. Alright, so I'm going to wash this out and see what the results is with the shampoo. Alright, so this is the big reveal. Ooh! So my curls are reverting back. I don't see any heat damage or noticeable heat damage I can see. Okay, Pattern Beauty! I feel like conditioner is fine, but shampoo, that will take me out. I would abort mission if the shampoo dried my hair out. And they sent me the heavy conditioner because my hair is very, very thick and very curly and very dense. And it needs all the hydration that it can get. So I'm going to section off my hair. There we go. So again, when I deep condition my hair, I'm making sure my hair is thoroughly drenched in water. We're gonna go in with the conditioner. It's really thick. I'm not going to detangle just yet. I'm just going to apply the product. So the jojoba oil I'm actually going to use as a scalp treatment, but I have been dealing with some breakage around my edges. And then just put it away and rinse and repeat. So the front part of my hair is always the loosest. Like you can see, my pattern is it's always loose in the front. It's always been that way, whether I have color in it or not. And that's because that's where you do the most, is in the front of your hair, even when it's curly. Since my hair was straight, I really don't have to, the detangling process is going to be really easy. And then again, I'm going to take the jojoba oil and apply that on my edges. I'm going to just take it and just apply that near my scalp. Okay, so I just finished putting all the deep conditioner in my hair. Prior to me doing that, I did use my bonder by Olaplex because I just had my hair straightened. I just got it freshly colored. So you want to do that if you're trying to protect the buns in your hair. So I applied a deep conditioning cap as well as a plastic baggie on top of the deep conditioner just to kind of let it really penetrate my follicles. So now I'm about to wash it out and we will see what my hair is looking like after the deep conditioning process. Okay, so I just finished washing the deep conditioner out and this is my hair afterwards. Now I'm going to detangle it and I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner And then I'm also going to be using my Olaplex Bond Smoother. So, and this is their leave-in too. And then I'm also going to seal it with the Olaplex Bonding Oil. To a section that's a little bit closer to the camera so you guys can really see what I'm doing. I'm gonna apply water so you don't have to use too much product. Like when I deep condition my hair, didn't use a lot of product at all. Like obviously you're gonna use more deep conditioner than you do shampoo. Like that's just the name of the game. But I'm telling y'all will save yourself on so much money. I'm gonna do a wide tooth comb first, just to kind of break up the big curls. I mean the big clumps. Like, can we just talk about it? So I do have a little bit of heat damage right there, but it's not horrible because it's not in multiple sections of my hair. So I'm just gonna leave it be. Leave it be, because if I cut it, like it's all the way up to here. So I'm not even gonna do that. I'm just gonna keep treating it, keep using the Olaplex, and you know, lay off the heat. The texture of the leave-in conditioner is really, really creamy versus the conditioner. The conditioner feels really stiff, and I'm glad that I didn't detangle because it didn't have, to me, it didn't have a lot of slip to it because it was really stiff. I don't know if they meant for the products to be like that because it's supposed to be thicker. But thicker doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to be stiff. So I didn't really like the feel of it, but it definitely left my hair soft. So I can't complain about that. And like I said, these products do not have any smell to them. They just smell like generic, not generic, but just doesn't smell like anything. It has a smell to it. It just doesn't have like, oh, that smells like coconut, or that smells like, you know, whatever. It's not, I don't think the focus to me in the packaging or the marketing wasn't really focused on the smell or the scents, but really just like the branding of it all and the fact that it's for, you know, a multitude of curls. So I'm just going to repeat around my whole head, and I will be back. Alright, so we're gonna see how it dries, and now I'm just dabbing off excess products with the microfiber towel. And then I'm gonna get under the hair dryer and let it dry. I'm not gonna let it air dry. And then I'm also gonna put these hair clips to kind of keep it down. I'm just gonna repeat on the other side. So I'm just gonna dab off the excess products, which is kind of hard because my towel is pretty damp. And I'm gonna grab another banana clip for this side, and I'm gonna sit under the dryer and finish my hair. Okay, so just purely off of just first impressions, my hair is, I'd say maybe 50% dry. My hair looks good. I don't feel a lot of products in it. I was going to go ahead and diffuse my hair and stretch it on camera. However, I don't have an extension cord, and it's not going to reach over here, so I'm going to have to diffuse it off camera. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this side just the way that it is, how it is. I'm just going to diffuse this side just so you guys can see the difference. But so far, I would give this like an A-. The only reason why I said a minus is because, like I said, I didn't like the consistency of the conditioner, but that was really kind of like being nitpicky. That it did what it was supposed to do. So but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish out my hair and finish this video, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is my hair, I'd say 98% dry, and this is my hair if I wanted to just leave it kind of more tame. I would just let it dry like that. So you can either let your hair dry like this, or you can pick it out. I always wear my hair big, so y'all should not be surprised. So let's talk about it. My hair is very soft. It's pliable. And sometimes when I use too much product, my wash and goes aren't as pliable as I would like for them to be. But this is the final result. So this is my hair fully dry. I just diffused it. Now I'm gonna pick it out, and y'all know I love my hair to be gargantuan. So that's what we gonna do. That is the final result. And then I can even put it up if I want to. Ooh, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. And this is not a sponsored video. I just love Tracy Ellis Ross. I'm just like, this product has to work. And it did. That looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys please rate, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you guys later.